In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate icons in Jitter video. Animating icons can add a dynamic touch to your projects and bring your videos to life. So let's dive into the steps and get your icons moving. First, head over to Drafts on Jitter by clicking on the link or entering it into your browser. Once you're in the Drafts section, take a moment to browse through your projects and select the one that contains the icon you want to animate. If you don't have a project ready, you might want to create one by adding icons to get started. Having the right project open is crucial because it sets the stage for our animation work. Now, with your chosen project open, it's time to click on the icon you're planning to animate. Doing this will trigger a toolbox to appear on your screen. This toolbox is where the magic happens, as it contains all the tools you'll need for animation. With the toolbox visible, the next step is to locate the Animate button. Click on it and you'll see an option to start a new animation. This is your gateway to transforming a static icon into something that moves and grabs attention. The interface is intuitive, so don't worry if this is your first time, you'll get the hang of it quickly. When you're in the animation window, you'll have several options. For this demonstration, we'll focus on creating a custom animation. While simple in-out effects are available and can serve well for beginners, opting for a custom approach allows you to have precise control over the movement and style of your icon. This flexibility lets you tailor the animation to perfectly match your project's theme or mood. Next, it's time to get creative. Click on anything within the editor that you want to animate. You can choose to alter properties such as position, scale, or rotation. Experiment with different settings to see how they affect the icon's behavior. This exploration phase is your chance to test various movements and find the perfect animation for your icon. Finally, if you find that one animation isn't quite enough, or if you'd like to add complexity, you can choose to add another animation layer. To do this, simply click Add Animation in the toolbox. You can layer multiple animations to create an intricate sequence, adding depth and interest to your icon's movement. And there you have it, you've successfully animated an icon in Jitter Video. By following these steps and embracing a bit of creativity, you can create eye-catching animations that enhance your projects. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different icons and animation styles. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video session.